Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back again in another video. Beloved, how are you all doing today? I hope everyone are doing great. So today's video, I am going to be discussing on how you can put a stop to side chicks. How you can put a stop on side chick from following your husband, from disturbing your husband, from making you to always share midnight cries. I know that a lot of women out there are going through this trauma. A lot of women has been wounded. Some of them are dead because of this side chick. If you are facing such challenges, you have tried so many remedies. You have even done spiritual work for it, and it seems like nothing is working for you. But let me tell you why this particular some spiritual work are not working for when it comes to separating side chick from your husband. Some side chicks eat witchcraft. Some of them eat amusu, also called amusu. Some of them eat amusu. And some men also that are born, in fact, they are born cheating. Some of them eat that's amusu. That's no, as in nothing. Excuse me. Wait. That nothing will make their wife to separate them from side chick. Once they have eaten that amusu, no matter how you do that spiritual work on your husband to separate your husband from that side chick, it will not work. But the one that will work immediately, even after using natural ingredients, is the one that's okay. Maybe they got attracted unknowingly, or maybe they were lured to do that kind of a thing with such side chick. And when you find that as a wife, you begin to look for natural remedy. When you find one, you do it, you see it's working because your husband has not eaten amusu, or the lady that did that is free. I don't know if you're getting me now. Now, this particular remedy that I'm about to let out is for those who did not eat amusu, who did not eat witchcraft. Yes, if your husband did not eat witchcraft, or the lady, this assignment will work for you. But whereby your husband eats witchcraft and then begin to misbehave, that means you have to look for a stronger one. No, the stronger one I'm talking about not be ordinary. You have to do something stronger, not this home remedy. That is why it amazed me when some women will be saying, "Hey, they did this, it did not work for my husband." Did you check your husband? Did you check the level of that woman that your husband is going out with? That is another thing. But I am just telling you now a few secrets why that thing, why natural ingredients might not work for some side chick. Why some few natural ingredients will not work when it comes to separating side chick from you, from a husband. I don't know if you're getting me. But once your husband is free, or maybe you're just trying to, play some games, and you just discovered as a wife, and then you follow it up with natural things, then just believe me, it will work for you. Any natural thing that you use on him, that you do, that you try to separate him from that side chick, will work for you. If you eat amusu witchcraft, no way. You have to try higher one. In fact, you have to pay for a higher one. Let me just tell you the truth. So if your husband is cheating, has side chick, and he has pregnanted, or he has already even won all his property to, check that one. That type of one might not be ordinary. In fact, it's not ordinary, and you have to try higher one. You have to pay for the higher one. I don't know if you're getting me. But if you know within yourself that your husband, okay, is free, he didn't eat anything, you can try this remedy now that I'm about to let you know. So get a big onions. Wash it very well. Peel the back, this first back. Peel it very well. Do not cut it into that. Just peel the back. Okay. Now get a parchment paper. Write the names of the people that you want to separate. If there are two side chicks, if there are three, just write it there. Now After writing it, put paper where you wrote their name, put it facing the ground, let it face the ground completely. Now these onions, just open it a little bit, do not cut it thoroughly, like do not cut it into soup like this, just open it a little and then begin to make a prayer on it. Make a very serious prayer. Remember, if you are doing any spiritual work without making a prayer, just remove your mind that it will work for you, because it will not work for you. Even in a bit, it will not work for you. So make your prayer using these onions while their name are facing ground. The name that you've already written with parchment paper should be on a ground. That place that you wrote their name should be facing ground. After you must have done your prayer using these onions, carrying it in your hand like this, just take the pepper, put it inside. Do not fold it, okay? That's why you need big onions. You don't fold the pepper, just put it there at the middle, and then use your salt, put it inside there, cover it. Try as much as possible to use hand to be squeezing it. Even if it's not squeezed, just make sure that you're squeezing it just like this. If you're squeezing it, you have to squeeze it well. As you're squeezing it, be making your prayer on it, okay? And after that, look for black leather. Tie these onions inside that black leather. Go and do what? Throw it inside your waste bin or any river closer to you. I don't know if you're getting me. So if your husband did not eat witchcraft, or your husband is not practicing witchcraft, if you're doing it for your husband, it will work for your husband head. It will work for you. But whereby he ate it, my dear, there is no need of wasting your time trying this, because it's not work for you. I have to tell you the truth. I have to tell you the truth. When your husband eats witchcraft and he's being head by side chick, you have to try higher one. There is higher one that you pay money, enough money to do that, yes. But if you do this, it did not work, know that yes, your husband is something. So beloved, that's just it though. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, I beg you, if you're watching this video for the first time, you're highly welcome to this family. Please, after watching my video, make sure that you subscribe. Let's grow this channel. Let's move the channel to a better place. All right, and make sure that you turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a video. If you haven't subscribed to my second channel, where I use leaves and seeds to teach you how you can use it to cure some deadly ailments, please go to that channel, subscribe to that channel. Also, leave your comments on the comment section. If you've seen any video that maybe you have questions you want to ask me, leave it at the comment section on that channel. I am going to be dropping the channel link, okay, in this video description. So beloved, that's just the end of the video for today. All right, see you on my next episode. You have a lovely weekend. Bye.